Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on which is the best Instagram downloader, because there are a lot of downloaders on the internet which are kind of wasting your time and showing you a lot of ads. So for that, all you have to do is make sure you have a good internet connection and go to Play Store and just search for Insta Downloader. Just click on Insta and click on Downloader. When you click on Insta Downloader, you will see multiple of them, but download this one Insta, which is the IG Saver, which is kind of showing a download option, and there's a kind of a small dot on the beside it. When you download this one, just gonna click open it. Don't go according to reviews, because this is the best thing I've ever seen. When you're on here, just leave it as it is. Go back and open the Instagram. Open up the Instagram first. So I'll give you a demo how you can do it. So I'm gonna get a video. What you have to do now, click on this three dots, copy the link, and get back and go to the Insta Saver. When you click it, amazingly, you don't have to paste it or anything. You can see how fast, and it's been downloaded, and that's the amazing part of it. You can see it even in downloads, and you can even find the video I have downloaded already, and you can find them in your gallery as well. And if you think this video is for you, make sure to leave a comment below. We'll catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.